Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Muhammad Asim. I'm working as DevOps engineer. Guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up the Helm secrets. So what I've done, I've created a document for you guys. So this is the repository, and in that, this is the document uh, which I've created, Helm useful commands, and I'm going to share the link of that particular document with you guys. Although repository is public, you can navigate to this particular repo and search for Helm useful commands. So anyway, I'm going to navigate to the section where we are going to use the Helm secrets. Although commands regarding the Helm, you can use that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to uh, use the latest encryption tools, and also we are going to set up the environment regarding the Helm secrets here in this video. So we are going to use the SOPs. SOPs is an editor for YAML, and also it supports AWS KMS, GCP KMS, Azure Key Vault, Age, and we are going to use Age in this, which is the latest encryption tool. Although it supports PGP, so but we are going to use Age, and other stuff is pretty much deprecated. So we are going to latest modern powerful encryption tool. So I'm going to install Age. So what I'm going to do first of all, although I've already done it, so what I'm going to use my tiny Docker container. So if I do Docker PS, this is the Kubernetes Docker running in this Python Slim. So what I've done, I've already made videos with regard to the usage of container in your operating system, whether you're using Windows or Mac OS or any other operating system, you can use that. So or any Linux distribution. Okay, so if I do Docker exec interactive shell into this Kubernetes, okay. So first of all, let me show you this directory is mounted outside with my help directory. So I'm going to create a sample for you guys so you will have a better understanding. So I'm going to create a helm create helm create hello. So that would be a sample uh, directory, and in this repo, let me open this in edit and VS Code. So you will see we have all the charts for us, values.yml, and we are going to update this one. So if you navigate to this template section, what I'm going to do, I'm going to update my deployment section. So I'm going to simply remove it, and I'm going to update that one. So I've already created a document with regard to that. Let me first of all show you that particular document, and let me first of all update the document, and you can use the command as well, but I'm going to simply use the VS Code for that. So I'm going to update this guy, and I'm going to paste it here, right? So now we are going to update this part. I mean, in fact, it is updated. So this is the part which is updated. Like we are going to use the Helm secrets, the creation of Helm secrets. I'm going to show you through SOPs and Age in a while. So this is the part we have updated in our default deployment.yml. So the key is going to be username, and the password key is going to be the password, and name of the credential are going to be secrets. So I've also updated this values.image.repository to limit to this guy. I'm going to show you that as well. So if I navigate to values.yml, what I'm going to do, I'm going to update this guy in an XL point, right? So this part is pretty much updated, and I'm also going to create this one template with the name secrets.yml. So I'm going to also provide you the template. In fact, I've already provided that particular template. You can either create from the VS Code or any editor, or you can simply copy this command till here, till end of file, and paste it. It will create this document secrets.yml. So we are using VS Code here. So I'm going to simply copy that, and you will now have a better understanding that this is the Helm secret document. So this is the key dot value username and dot password. Let me Let me show you this part. So this is the key username and this is the password. Okay, we are going to use the secrets. So first of all, we need to create secrets through Age. As I told you, Age is the encryption, modern day encryption tool. We are going to use the secrets through Age. Let me navigate to that part, and I'm going to create that. Regarding the installation stuff, it is pretty much basic. So I've already added the document for you guys. So this is with regard to the shops. Simply navigate to this document. You can read more if you want to. Okay, so the installation is pretty much simple. Regarding the installation of SOAPs, simply what I've done, I've used this container. So I'm going to use this Linux AMD64 simply. The installation guide is also available. What you need to do is to simply copy this command, paste it here. I've already done that, so that's why I'm not doing it. I mean, it's going to save the time. So I've done the installation of SOAPs. I've done the installation of app, which is pretty much simple as the Debian container. So simply copy this command and paste it. So now comes the creation of our secrets. So as I told you, we have age and sops available. So if I do sops.help, you will find sops is already available, and I'm going to also show you this is age is also available. So if I navigate to my root, which is pwd/root, I'm going to create that particular guys in my root. So let it simply paste the command. So this is the key.txt. If I simply get out the content of this key.txt is actually provide us the a secret key. This is our secret key and this is our public key, which is comment out. So we are going to use this public key. Okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you start from the scratch what commands you need to have to make this guy available. So what we will be doing, we have created this guy and I'm going to create a directory with this name. Although I've created it, I'm going to remove it. So I'm going to create this directory in my home directory with the name .config /shops and /age. So as I've already created this directory, I'm going to first of all remove it for you guys to make sure you will have a better understanding. So as we are doing stuff right from the scratch, so I'm going to simply paste this command. If I do tree to this .config, okay, so we have done exactly that, right? So this part is completed. What I'm going to do, I'm going to simply move this key.txt to this location which we have set up. So simply use this command and this file is gone to this area. So simply navigate to this command tree and you see this file is now available. Okay, this part is done. So now we are going to create this hidden .sops.yml. So, but I'm going to simply copy this command. I'm not going to update this command. What I need to do, I need to update this age. Let me show you what we are updating. So this is the public key we are updating. So this will create a default encryption rule. We are setting up the default encryption rule. Copy the public key from key.txt. So this is the just the sample, the actual key we need to copy. Okay, so I'm gonna cancel it. First of all, I need to show you what was the key, and the key location is this one. Now I'm going to simply get out the contents. Okay, to give you more understanding what we are doing. So this is the key we need to upgrade, right? So okay, now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna copy this command again, and okay, I'm gonna take another shell, docker exec, interactive shell into this guy Kubernetes and bash shell, right? So if I navigate to /root, I need to create this file. I'm going to paste it. Now I'm going to simply update this guy. with this public key which we have actually created. Okay, so it is not allowing me to do that. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy this guy and I'm going to paste it here. So let me do that. I'm doing it because it is pretty much confusing stuff, because you need to be really sure what we are doing it. So instead of that, that's why I'm writing this everything for you guys to give you better understanding what needs to be done in actual way. So this part is done. So simply what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply create this file and there is no need to edit. Simply copy this guy and navigate to this section and paste it. Okay, so if I do ls-a and if I get out the contents of sops.yml, so this is our updated public key. So the last step, I need to show you guys uh, regarding that. Let me finish that. So what I'm going to do also, I'm going to create this values.secrets.yml. So this is the secrets we want to create, and this is are not going to be a hidden file. These are the secrets which we want to use as secrets in our Kubernetes. So if I do ls here, so you see, this is our value secrets.yml, but I want my secrets to be encrypted. That's why we are setting up this one. So I'm going to use this command helm secrets encrypt values secrets.yml. So guys, one thing I need to update you. Let me show you that part. So helm plugin install sorry, I'm plugin ls. So what I've done, I've already installed secrets plugin, helm git plugin, diff plugin. So you should have at least helm secrets and git plugin already installed. How to install that command is pretty much simple. Let me navigate to the helm secrets, secrets plugin install. I'm navigate to this URL, simply navigate to this guy, click the installation section, okay, right? And this is the command. Simply copy paste this command, and it's gonna install that particular plugin for you guys, and you can read the documentation with regard to that. So I highly recommend to use the Helm version 3, and other than that, you can use the Helm build plugins. Okay, so these plugins should be present, otherwise it's gonna give you an error. So let me show you this part. So I'm using the Rancher desktop. So this is my local environment setup, and if I do kubectl cluster dash info, and this is my cluster info, right? So just to update you, the plugin is already installed. That's why I need to show you guys. Okay, so simply navigate to this document, and I'm going to remove the extra bits from here. So simply I'm going to copy this command helm secrets encrypt values.secret.yml. So you see, this encryption is done and it is encrypted. So if I cater the contents of this values.secrets.yml, you see this file is totally encrypted. And if you want to push this file to your repo, that would be fine because it is encrypted. And decryption is going to be through and those help secrets. So okay, that part is pretty much completed. And what I'm gonna do also, I want to show you the decryption of that as well. So I'm gonna show you one way to do that. So I'm going to view those secrets.yml. So also if you want to create the file, you can use this command. It's gonna create this value secrets.yml.dc for decrypt, although we are decrypting this file. So let me copy this file. If you want to view my secrets, so I'm going to copy this command. So these were the actual secrets we have created through our helm secrets encrypt, or I should say this is our actual file. So navigate back to the document. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna create a sample release. Let me update the name of that release. So let me, as I'm already created a document for you guys. So I've already shown you, the sample release name is going to be the hello. So let me update that particular part. Okay, so This is the help secret, right? And I'm going to call this hello as a demo. Already done that. So uh, what needs to be updated? So okay, in that secrets, in that file, we have already created the secret.yml. And the last part I'm going to do, I'm going to show you that final command. So you can use this command or either this command. This is I do recommend to use it because what it does is gonna uh, upgrade the existing one. If it is not there, if it is, it's gonna install it. So vice versa. So I'm going to copy this command and I'm gonna paste it here. But let me show you if I do cd into mnt. Okay, if I do ls, you see we have our sample hello charts.yml. So you see our values secrets are not available. So I'm going to copy that from root value secrets.yml to pwd. And if I cater the contents of values secrets.yml, so this is totally encrypted. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy paste this particular command. What it's going to do, it is going to install this and nginx and file alpine release. So let me update that part if I don't. So I already done that. This is the one I'm talking about. So this is the image we are going to use or we are going to deploy. So and it is going to create this namespace. If this namespace is not present, it's going to create it. So let it try. Okay, so it gives us an error. So let me update that as well quickly for you guys. Okay, guys, there was a mistake in copy paste. You see, one operand is absent. So let me show you that the error was in the hello template secrets.yml line 13. So navigate to that. So this seems to be an error. So I'm going to simply update this command and rerun this command again. So let it run it. So our you see deployment is successfully done. So let me navigate to this section and let me navigate to my cluster. So I've already connected with my cluster. So if you want to see, this is my cluster, right? So simply what we have done, we set up the Helm secrets. So if I navigate to uh, the secret section here, uh, it's gonna be, first of all, let me show you the help part. Okay, okay, this is the release. So what we have done, we set up a sample nginx release, right? So navigate to that section, secrets, and you see this is my namespace learning. So we have set up in the namespace learning. So names of the credential are credentials. So this is the basic 64 values. I'm going to simply show you these values. These are the values. Username is root and password is root. So I can also show you from the command line as well. Let me show you kubectl, kubectl get secrets, secrets, namespace learning. You see the credential are available. So uh, get credential, name of the credential, sorry, name of the secrets are credential in namespace learning. And if I do hyphen o yml yaml, so this is the password. You see same base 64 and username values. Let me also do the echo to this. Okay, so I'm going to pipe it to base 64. I'm showing you the latest technique to use. Quickly see the stuff. uh, if you don't want to use the CLI base 64 decode. So you see, this is the value of that particular uh, password, and the username is pretty much. These are actually not encryption. These are a simple encoding of base 64. Encryption we have already set up through the help secrets. So what I need to do, I want to update the secrets. So let me do that as well. So I'm going to simply repeat that process. Let's say um, I want to simply, I'm going to remove this values.secret.yml and let me create different secrets, and I'm going to update my release. So I'm going to simply, what I'm going to do, navigate back to this guy, and I'm going to create different secrets. So I want to show you that how you can simply do that as well. So I'm going to paste it, and I'm going to update the secrets to this anything you want, or simply password is cloudgeeks.ca, right? So I'm going to press the OK button and press it. And simply, if I cater the content, this is the, I mean, simple plain text file. I'm going to simply update this command, I mean, update this file, and I'm going to simply encrypt this file. So I wanna use these secrets, right, in my application. So I'm going to show you in the container as well now after a while. So what I'm going to do, you see pwd, I'm in /mnt. This directory is mounted with my host, so it is available. Everything is available here. So anyway, what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply copy this updated values secrets.ml to pwd, and I'm going to update the release. So what you need to do is to simply use that particular command which we have already done before. So what it does is gonna simply update your existing release. You see, this is the revision 2, and if I navigate to Lens and navigate to secrets, you see the password is changed to cloudgeeks.ca, and this is the root. So now I want to show you to the in the pod as well. If I navigate to this namespace learning, I mean, click this guy. Okay, I'm going to have a shell in this one. So you see, we are inside this container, type env. So you will see, you see, my username is root. Okay, and also I want to show you the password as well. My password is this one. So guys, that's it from our side. I mean, if you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe. uh, I mean, that's it from our side. I mean, you can see, and also I need to check. Okay, seems to be the old one. Okay, this is not yet updated, so let me check that as well. I'm going to update you in a while. Okay, guys, I just saw that why we are able, why we are not able to see that particular new password in the pod. Let me update you guys, because this pod is simply updated and running. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to simply remove this, as this is the deployment. What it does, it's going to simply recreate one container. So we usually, do, I mean, run multiple pods. So, changes reflects in the pod in a way that once it's going to be available, let me navigate to the pod section. So it's going to, you see, let me, I mean, I might remove the deployment. In fact, let me delete it. So, in fact, what I've done, let me see that. Let me navigate to the releases section. Okay. So, by mistake, what I've done, I've removed the release. So, what I'm going to do simply, I'm going to update this guy. Okay. So, what it does, it is created the first revision, right? So because I've removed the release, so I should navigate to this pod section, and I'm going to have a shell in this one, and I'm going to show you the latest one. The password are going to be updated. So let me show you that part. This is my username, this is root, and this is my password. Let me, okay, this one. This is crowdgeeks.ca, right? So let's say I want to simply update, and we are going to do the same process. And What I'm gonna do, I'm going to simply copy paste this command again. So this part is important for your understanding because that particular pod is running with those secrets. So if that part is continues to run, and it will continue to show you that particular secret which we have created. So I'm going to simply copy this command and navigate to my slash home directory, and I'm going to simply remove this values.yml, and I want to create first. I'm going to create this random secrets now. Let me create those. So okay, and I'm going to create this secret. So this is the plain text one version, right? We are going to simply decrypt it. So I'm going to use the same command, right? So I'm going to use Helm. In fact, I should simply copy it. So I'm going to use this Helm secrets encrypt these values, right? And this is my mnt and cd to hello, and I'm going to simply copy that particular file from roots. Sorry, values.yml to this guy, and I'm going to simply use that particular command. I'm going to update my revision quickly. So it's going to be second revision this time. So as I told you, by mistake, I have removed the revision instead of that. So I'm going to use this command. So you should be very careful while using Lens. So this is my second revision. So all the secrets you will find, secrets are going to be updated in your secret section, right? So first of all, let me show you the releases. So this is our second release, right? Then I'm going to navigate to the secret section in the configuration, and if I navigate to click on the credential section, and you see these are updated. So let me navigate to the pod section. So simply I'm going to click this one and take shell in this one new pod. Okay, so you see user is definitely the same. So check the password. You see password is not yet updated. So what I'm going to do to see the change, this pod is up, I mean running with the old credentials. So as this is the deployment, so if I remove this particular pod, what the deployment is going to do, it's going to recreate another pod, and it's going to you see 3 seconds, and this is new pod is created, and I'm going to have a shell in this pod. So I'm going to you can simply click here and have a shell as well. So I'm going to click, I'm going to see, click on, for this value environments, you see, this password is now updated. So this is the difference you should have in your understanding. I'm going to show you the deep dive of that, how it's going to be updated in your pod or container. So that's it, guys. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Have a nice day.